our dry age meat cabinet. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, a length of 27 inches, a depth of 29 inches, overall height 65.5 inches tall. Easy release door lever, and on the hanger will be 2 hooks. Each hook will measure 8 inches. Behind the hanger will be the air inlet, and included will be 3 shelves. Each shelf will measure 22.5 inches in length, 17.5 inches in depth, and the measurement for the lip in front of the shelf will be 1.25 inches. The distance holding each shelf will include 23 inches in length by 19.5 inches in depth. Measurements apply for the distance holding the shelf, left and right, front and back. We have the control element with the power along with the LED and a temperature adjustment that can be set up or down, low or high. Coming to the bottom, included will be 4 salt blocks. Measurements for each salt block will include 4.5 inches in length, 7.25 inches in depth by 1 inch in height. Measurements apply for each of the 4 salt blocks that will be included. Holding a salt block will be the rack, along with a tub holding each. Measurements for the tub holding the rack and the salt blocks will include 21 inches in length by 16 inches in depth. Measurements apply for the tub holding the rack holding the salt blocks. And below the tub will be a separate compartment tray. Measurements for these compartment tray will include 17 inches in length by 14 inches in depth. Those are the internal measurements for the lower tub tray. Internal height dimensions will include 54 inches tall. Coming to the top of the door will be an indicator showing the dry aging process and its current reading. Included will be a set of keys, so whenever this needs to be locked up, a pair of keys will be provided. Bottom right corner will be the ETL certification along with the technical specifications for this dry age cabinet. Last but not least, this unit runs on 110 and 120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.